Meet the Ring Video Doorbell 4, the newest version of our signature doorbell.
Hey! Oh, hey!
That works on any home. Get alerts right on your phone.
Hey, I didn't order that for you guys.
Sorry.
Color pre-roll video starts recording before you even get a motion alert, so you never miss a moment. It's the first feature of its kind for battery doorbells, and it's only on Ring.
I'll be right back. Okay.
Can't get to the phone? Let Quick Replies take a message for you.
Thanks for stopping by. If you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Voicemail for your doorbell? That's awesome!
And they're handy when you've got better things to do.
Sorry, we're not interested.
Even the doorbells now.
And it's all right in the Ring app. Connects with Ring cameras, Ring alarm, lights, locks, and Alexa.
Hey, are you ready? Hey guys, I'll be right there. Awesome.
The Ring Video Doorbell 4. The advanced protecting, message taking, enhanced recording, next generation video doorbell from Ring.
Meet the VIVINT Doorbell Camera Pro, the only video doorbell that actively protects your deliveries. With the widest and tallest field of view on the market, it lets you see everything, from faces to packages left right under the doorbell. And VIVINT Smart Sentry technology intelligently detects when those packages are delivered. But Doorbell Camera Pro goes beyond just detecting. It can also automatically repel would-be thieves.
Camera recording.
With an audible chime and light ring that illuminates when someone approaches your packages. So your packages stay protected, even when you're not around.
Hi, Robin. Somebody just tried to take a package off my porch. Would you mind setting that inside for me? Thank you. I'll unlock the door for you. Bye-bye.
And because all VIVINT products work together, you can also remotely unlock a door for trusted friends and neighbors or open the garage so deliveries can be safely placed inside. Whoever it is, you'll be able to answer the door from anywhere and see it all in stunning HD.
Hey girls!
Hey, is Tommy home?
Yeah, he's right here.
Unlike other video doorbells that only capture limited moments,
Good night, Frenchie!
human-activated VIVINT Smart Clips don't stop recording until the action does.
Thank you, guys! Love you.
It's all about creating peace of mind. A feeling that comes from knowing that your home isn't just smart, it's safer too.
The new wire-free Arlo Essential Video Doorbell lets you see what other doorbells can't. A more complete picture from head to toe. Know exactly what's happening with valuable notifications and take action faster with options right on your phone. You can also reduce notifications that are less important to you. Get peace of mind with clear video, day or night, for anything at your door. And keep your home protected at all times. It's built to last. And rest assured, with Arlo's Privacy Pledge, that ensures your data and videos remain secure, private, and in your control. The all-new wire-free Arlo Essential Video Doorbell. Complete picture, total protection.